Honda's Dio is a scooter that creates a lot of excitement among the majority who are looking to buy a scooter. And last year, Honda launched a different style Dio when BS6 became mandatory. And after that, there was sheer silence until the launch of the Repsol themed Dio. And now fast forward to 2021, well, officially there isn't any 2021 version with a curtain raiser, but now we got this guy. Well, it's technically the BS6 Dio with a new paint scheme. And this color choice is called the Matte Marble Blue Metallic. It's available as a DLX variant in the Dio, and this color surely is an attractive one which has a simplicity. This color schematic is similar to the metallic red one with the DLX variant because here the paint job is the dual tone finish. The core color is blue with black as an accent in the front panels and sides. And here the handle also gets the black colored theme which also houses the LED DRLs. Now the Dio, since being a very edgy scooter, actually looks nice with this paint job, and here the body color is this blue tone, and in the body instead of using a graphics, Honda has opted to use Dio's branding in chrome 3D format. And also in the sides and front you can see the DLX branding. Now since this is the DLX variant, couple of key things to highlight compared to the standard variant is that the headlight is LED, which is the one I prefer. Now this headlight's range and coverage is pretty solid, and hence you can get through pitch dark conditions without any issues, and it's always a needed thing when we check the headlight's intensity. Then another key thing to stress with this DLX version of the Dio is that the Speedo console is a fully digital meter. The readability of this meter is good, and here you get access to sufficient ride information, but then there isn't any Bluetooth support. But like I said, there are some unique ride info like the distance to empty, real-time mileage, average mileage, fuel level, distance covered, trip meter, service alert, etc. Now these are handy informations, but right now the lack of Bluetooth support is something that Honda has to check. Then one more change with the DLX version of the Dio is that the wheels is still sheet metal, but then it does get this gold trim, and here with this matte blue version, the gold wheels does match well. Now the rest of the stuff in the design side is what we are all familiar with, which are the external fuel inlet system. Then in the switch control side, there is all the needed ones like the dim bright and pass light as a single toggle, indicator control and horn on the left side, and on the right side there is the engine start and stop switch control as a single switch. And by the way, let it be the DLX or the standard variant, you can optionally opt for the side stand engine cutoff system if you are interested in that. So this is the whole design theme with this new Dio, and here, as I said earlier, the only change is just this new color. And to be frank, Honda hasn't officially stated this as their 2021 version of the Dio, but then since they have launched a new color scheme, it's pretty much evident that Honda might not be launching a totally overhauled or maybe even a minor updated 2021 Dio. And based on the engine performance and ride experience, it's not a bad thing. Well, it's because the Honda Dio BS-6 is even now a scooter that offers great ride quality and comfort for its segment. And yet just that experience makes the Dio BS-6 still a very solid option for 2021. And if you're planning to get a Dio right now, well, go for this blue colored one because it's the new color theme and it's a good one for this design. And by the way, if you're interested in the detailed analysis of the Dio BS-6, well, I'll link all the Dio BS-6 videos we have done in our channel in the description section below. And also, as expected, the Dio's pricing did change a bit compared to the older videos. And here, this is the present ex-showroom pricing of all the variants of the Dio. And if in case you're in Kollam, Kerala and you're interested in the on-road pricing, or if you want to make a booking or do a test ride of the Dio or any Honda scooters, well, you can contact Vahini Honda, who is the authorized Honda dealer in Kollam. Well, that's all for this video. And yes, we have resumed our two-wheeler reviews, so do expect more in the coming days. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe because it will help our channel, and also you won't miss our future contents. And also, by the way, if you like this video, hitting that like button will be a great thing. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye, and always ride safe.